So what is up guys, welcome back to my channel. And I just completed 273 kilometers on my motorcycle. So guys, today I'll be adding one of very helpful and very sturdy accessories on my bike. So I polished it a little bit so that it looks presentable. Because of that effort, hope you guys like and share. Just kidding, but yeah guys, do support my channel. Anyways, so without much delay, I got this accessories purchased recently. So this is how the packaging will look like. Not much fancy, but I got it delivered from Flipkart, and they did deliver it quite fast, so thankful for that. So anyways guys, here is the accessories that I'll be getting it fixed on my bike. And as you can see from the look of it, this is the side stand guard from Tri-Fly. So they did mention it's very of high quality, so I'll be fixing it and using it for some time, and maybe I'll get to know how the quality actually is. But guys, the weight of it is around 0.25 grams, so it is a little bit on the heavier side, but heavier in a sense like it is not that lightweight, but I'm pretty sure Meteor can take the weight of it. Anyways guys, so this is how it will get fitted on. Being Meteor as the weight of the bike is around 191 kg, it is quite a bike which is on the heavier side. So I thought of adding these accessories on my bike. So in order to fix this, you'll need a size 4 Allen key and the plus. So if you don't have these two tools with it, you can't fix this. Luckily I had it, so just for your information guys. So this is my first time fixing it, so I'm not very sure, but I guess it will go somehow like this. So I'll do one thing, I'll unscrew it first and then let's check it out. So guys, this is how it's looking like. It requires a little bit of struggle to fix this product, but I guess it's looking nice. I hope it fixed it correctly, but I guess this is how it is supposed to be. Anyways, it does looks nice. You have this Meteor logo on the top. It's mentioned as Meteor 350. So let's put it in for a test. I'll just remove this my double stand and see now. So guys, this is how it looks. So I will give this product a 6 out of 10 because I don't really like the fit and finish of this thing. I'm not very sure if I fixed it correctly, but this is how it looks like. Anyways guys, hope you guys find this video informative. If you did find this informative, do like, share and subscribe. And hey guys, until the next video, God bless you all. Bye bye. Take care. Bye. It's a useless product guys. I'm removing it. I didn't like the fit and finish of this thing, to be honest.